Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Chainlink tokens and store them on a Ledger Nano S or X. So let's get started. So a lot of people have been asking me about Link. Most of them have figured out how to buy it. They're just having trouble storing it on their Ledger Nano device. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing I'll do is show you how to purchase it. The easiest way to do it is on Coinbase. You can buy Chainlink right on Coinbase. It's pretty easy to set up a Coinbase account. You just go to their website, put in your email, set a password, and then you'll need to verify your identity in order to be able to trade. But that's pretty simple. Most people can handle that. Now, if you want to buy Chainlink, then all you really need to do is go up here to trade. And then we're going to do a buy. And instead of Bitcoin, which is the default, we'll just switch it over to Chainlink, which is right here. And I'm going to use my debit card. Now, the reason I'm using my debit card is because the purchase will happen right away. If I use my bank, it takes 3 to 5 business days for it to clear, and then you won't be able to withdraw your cryptocurrency to your own wallet until then. If we use the debit card, our purchase will authorize right away. So I'm going to hit preview buy here. And there's a small merchant charge on Coinbase. A little bit high on their merchant charges, but it is the easiest, most convenient way to purchase cryptocurrency in my experience. All right there, so I got some Link. That's pretty cool. I can go right over to my portfolio and see that there is Chainlink in there and ready to go. Now, let's withdraw it to our own wallet. All right, so I'm here in my Ledger Live, which is the interface to the Ledger Nano X that I'm using. It also works with the Ledger Nano S as well. And basically what we want to do is we want to deposit that Link into our own wallet. So if you want to store Link in your Ledger device, you're going to need to use an Ethereum wallet. So if you go to add account here and type in Link, it's going to tell you that it's an ERC20 token and it needs to be received in your Ethereum account. So that's pretty simple. All you have to do is go over to your Ethereum account. I've got 2 here. So we just go down to where the other ERC20 tokens are and hit add token. Just click here and you can search for it by typing the name and it'll show up here, and then hit continue. All right, so what it wants you to do is enter the Ethereum app on your device. So I've got my device up here. You can use the buttons to navigate around to the different apps. When you're on top of Ethereum, just click both buttons quickly, just one little click from both buttons, and you'll be in the Ethereum app. And then it's going to show you the link address in your Ethereum wallet for your ERC20 tokens. You want to copy that into your clipboard and then just verify on your device that it's a good address. Make sure the address on your device matches the one you see on your screen. And then just advance one more over with the metal button and click approve. All right, and once you've done that, you can dismiss this. Now what we need to do is get the link into this wallet by going back over to Coinbase. We'll go back over here to Coinbase where we have our Link wallet, and we want to do a send, right? We want to send the link to an outside wallet, right? In this case, we're sending it to ourselves. I'm going to click send all, and then I'm going to go down here where it says to and paste in the address that I just copied from my Ledger device. I'll click send. All right, it's going to give me an overview of that transaction. Doesn't look like they're charging me anything to withdraw it. That's pretty cool. And we'll hit send now. All right, I'm going to enter my 2-factor authentication from my Google Authenticator. I recommend that you enable 2-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. Keeps it safe and secure from hackers. We'll hit confirm there. And there we go. The send is in progress. You can hit done here. And then just refresh your screen. And you'll see you've got that pending outgoing transaction. You can go back over here to Ledger Live and just kind of wait for your cryptocurrency to arrive. You can hit this sync button up here All right, and there we go. You can see that the link has arrived in my wallet. And there it is, safe and sound. So we bought some Link on Coinbase, and then we opened up our Ledger Live and went to our Ethereum wallet, and then added a token and chose Link. And they gave us an Ethereum address, which we verified on our device, and we were able to use that to paste into our Coinbase so that we could send the Link coins to our own wallet. And you can see here that the Link is now among the other ERC20 tokens that I have in my wallet. Up here at the top is the Ethereum wallet. So Link is an ERC20 token which gets stored in Ethereum wallets. And you can use Ledger Live to manage your Ethereum wallets. You can send and receive and check your balance. Okay, now Coinbase isn't the only place where you can buy Link tokens. You can buy them on Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a phone-based cryptocurrency exchange where all you have to do to buy Link there is hit trade, tap buy, and then they've got Chainlink in their list of cryptocurrencies. You just tap it. You can use your debit or credit card to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase.com. You can trade for it out of your existing wallets, or you can deposit money from your bank into your Crypto.com account and use that to buy cryptocurrencies. So Link is very easy to buy on Crypto.com as well as Coinbase. In fact, if you'll notice right now, Crypto.com is waiving fees. That 3.5% fee is being waived now until September, I believe. So it's a good time to use your Crypto.com account to buy cryptocurrencies. You can also buy Chainlink on Binance US. If you go over here to buy crypto, you can see that they have Chainlink available for purchase. Very similar to Coinbase. You use your credit card or your debit card or your bank account, wire money to them, and then you withdraw it in pretty much the same way I showed you with Coinbase. So best of luck out there. There's lots of ways to get your hands on Link, and it's pretty easy to store in a Ledger Nano device to keep it safe and secure. So if there's any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I do a live stream every Saturday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.